So here at Academy Fabricators, we hire welders, pipe fitters, welding inspectors, quality control personnel, material technicians, project managers, project engineers, and the list goes on and on. Out here at this facility at our peak, we hire 300 to 350 people, keeping them full-time employed in the community locally. One of our challenges with finding people out here currently is finding young people who are interested in getting into the trades. I understand right now that enrollment into the apprenticeship programs is low, but I think that it's important that people understand that there's a lot of great careers in the industry still today in the skilled trades, and it's going to be a very much in-demand position, and that goes for your B-pressure welders, your structural steel welders, your pipe fitters and fabricators. The industry needs them, and the industry is not going anywhere anytime soon, so it's very important that kids are actively engaged in the RAP program and learning these skilled trades. And the other great thing about getting a trade is that it's very transferable into other aspects of the business. Some of our best project managers have started in the trades and have come from a welding background. Our best estimators have come from a trades background. So there's a lot of value in having a trade, and that's skills that transfer into other areas of the industry as well. Here at Academy, we're looking to find people that are committed to Academy. We commit to our employees for long-term employment. We have many employees that have been with us for 20 plus years, which is very impressive. It's a great place to work. We have lots of great people, and the culture is second to none.